In this video, we are going to show you how to make end-to-end encrypted video calling. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. ZipCall is a new decentralized calling service. This service works within the browser without any account. Let's check it out. Simply open a web browser and visit the ZipCall website. A link to the same is provided in the video description. On the website, scroll down a little and click the Try Now button. On the next screen, scroll down again and enter a unique name for your call and click Go to Call button. Doing this starts the call and asks webcam and microphone permissions. The interface is clean with a draggable user video feed. At the top, you get a link to the call which you can share with others to join. In terms of features, you have control over input devices. There is also a screen sharing option that lets you share desktop, application or a browser window during the call. Then, there is text-based chat along with a picture-in-picture mode. This mode lets you replace the videos anywhere on screen. Last but not least, it has a live caption feature. This feature is currently in beta state and works in Chrome or Chromium-based browsers. With all this, ZipCall is one of the few video calling services that has end-to-end encryption without any servers. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.